Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to NOORVERSE Global. Today we will discover how one verse of the Qur'an changed a young boy's life forever.
إن الله لا يغير ما بقوم حتى يغيروا ما بأنفسهم.
Let us reflect on this verse. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves.
Barkanku da zuwa Global. Darasin yau zai koya mana yadda zamu inganta halayenmu. Darsul yawm an bina'il akhlaq fi daw'il Qur'anil Karim.
There was a young boy named Ahmad. He often spoke harshly to others. He ignored advice. He thought changing his behavior was unnecessary. His parents loved him. They were worried about his character.
One Friday, Ahmad went to the mosque. The Imam recited a verse from Surah Ar-Ra'd. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. The next morning, Ahmad decided to change. He stopped using hurtful words. Day by day, he became more respectful. Real change does not begin with money, appearance, or status. It begins with the heart. When we obey Allah, improve our manners, and seek His guidance, He opens doors that we never expected. Every one of us can choose to become better starting today. Choose one good habit. Speak kindly. Tell the truth. Help someone. Control your anger. Ask Allah to improve your character. Small changes done sincerely can transform a person's life. May Allah make us people of beautiful character. Forgive our shortcomings. Ameen. If this reminder benefited you, please like, share, and subscribe to NOORVERSE Global. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to NOORVERSE Global. May Allah bless you. Ameen. Mun gode da kallonku. Kada ku manta ku yi subscribe zuwa NOORVERSE Global. Allah ya albarkace ku. Ameen.
شكرا لمشاهدتكم. لا تنسوا الاشتراك في قناة نورفرس جلوبال. بارك الله فيكم. آمين.